common formula a lot of us use in education for spreadsheets is to count up the number of items in a column or row. In this example, I have students that have signed up for either pizza or hamburger for lunch. So an easy way to add up these numbers once they have selected it is to highlight the entire row down to the very last, or sorry, the entire column down to the very last row. And we have everything here selected to add it up. Now, if we go over here to the functions option, you'll see this little E. This is a symbol to for sum. So it's going to add up the entire row there. So if I click this and click on sum, you'll see it does equal sum, and then it has a parentheses with E2, which is here, E2 to E16. So it's taking the sum of all of those cells combined together. So all we have to do, because it did the work for us, is hit enter, and it's going to give us the sum of that row. So once again, we highlight, click, we select sum, we press enter, and there are our counts for pizza and hamburger for the day.